Hello, in this video, we will present a case study on counting the occurrences of each letter. So the program will generate 100 lowercase letters randomly and assign them to a list of characters. And then count the occurrences of each letter in the list. So to do so, we are going to have these two lists. One is for storing all the characters, 100 characters. The other list is to count the occurrence of each character. So we're going to have 26 elements in this counts. So counts bracket 0 is to count how many A's appears in this 100 elements. And thus the last one, counts 25, is to count how many Z's in this list of characters. So we're going to write this program now. We are going to use the random character defined in listing 6.9. So we have that random character module. It has the function for generating a random character. So what we're going to do is here, we're going to create a list of characters. So we're going to invoke this create list. It is right here, create list. So what is create list? Create all these characters. How many? It's 100. Invoking random character dot get random lowercase letter. So that is the function in this random character module. So now we are going to return the list is called shows. So this is the for all the characters, 100. We're going to display this list. So I'm going to display it. I'm going to display this list 20 characters per line. So look, there's 20 characters per line. So here is display. So you write this. Look at the I in this range. So this is Liang shows, and that is all the characters 100. So this is actually 100, same as 100. So this is if I is $20. So I'm going to have this I plus 1 if this is divisible by 20. And now we're going to print this. So this is like, it's going to print and then move to the next line. So here we're going to print, but stay on the same line with a space to separate the characters. And now we're going to have to do a count. So count, we're going to invoke this method count letters. So this is called count letters. So here's the count letters. Count letters, we're going to create 100. 26. So this is 26. 26 elements in the array counts, and with the initial value or 0. Now, for every character in this array shows here bracket 0, and we are going to get its ASCII code and minus the ASCII code of this A. So we're going to get this index. If this character is A, now the index is 0. So that is corresponds to the count for the character A. If this is B, so that is going to be 1. The index the whole index here, we're going to be 1. So now this is a very good way to write this program. So we increase the count, and after all this is done, return counts. Now we are going to display counts. So here is to display counts. Display counts, we're going to display the counts this way here. So the occurrence of each letter, so we display this count and the letter, and count the letter. We only display the non-zero counts. So we come here, we're going to display counts. Okay, we display the counts also. We're going to display 10 counts per line. So this is the 10 counts per line. So we're going to have this I plus 1, remainder 10 is equal to 0. So we are going to print this counts and then move to the next line. So it appears to me now, if it's 0, you still count. I think that's what happens because I don't have the code for that. So it's even if the count is 0, it still counts. So that's fine. All right. So this is the count. This is 10 numbers per line. So we're gonna display. This is the ASCII code here. I plus the ASCII code for A and convert it to the character. And here is the count and then followed by the character. So this, if this is I plus 1, remainder 10 is equal to 0, we're going to start a new line after you print it. So this is every 10 counts along with the character is printed. And so we have a new line. And otherwise, you print this count character and then stay on the same line. So here is the program. So let's run it one more time. So I'm going to run this now. So this is, see, this is 0 n. So n appears 0 times. So this is the one. So this A appears 1 time, B appears 3 times. That is all for this case study. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.